The Halo Home Smart Plug-in Lamp Dimmer allows convenient control of standard dimmable lamps from the Halo Home app and other Halo Home accessories. First, plug the lamp dimmer into the outlet. The indicator LED should illuminate and then start flashing to show that it is ready to connect to the Halo Home app. Plug in the dimmable lamp to the lamp dimmer. To pair the lamp dimmer, use your mobile device to open the Halo Home app and log into your account. Tap the menu button and select Devices. In the Devices screen, tap the plus icon to start a new device scan. Once the scan completes, locate and select the lamp dimmer and then tap Add. The app may take up to 30 seconds to add the lamp dimmer. Once paired, the LED indicator on the lamp dimmer will turn off and the app will open the device settings screen. Tap the pencil icon to give the lamp dimmer a descriptive name, or take a picture of the device to make it easier to locate in the app. The plug-in lamp dimmer may be controlled from any Halo Home accessory, from the Halo Home app, or from the onboard control button. To control the lamp dimmer from the app, tap on the menu and select the devices option. Locate the lamp dimmer in the device list. To turn the lamp on and off, tap on the device or use the slider to change the light level. Manually control the lamp dimmer through the onboard button. Press and release the button to turn the lamp on or off. Hold the button in to dim or raise the light level. For information on associating the dimmer with a group, schedule, or other accessory device, refer to the Halo Home app videos and Quick Start guides. For the latest in energy savings and technology, choose Halo. Innovation you can rely on.